Hey, sorry for being quite late tonight. Hope you guys are having fun. Actually ना एग्जाम चल रहे हैं and मुझे थोड़ा फीवर हो रहा है. But still I'm trying to be very energetic. एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन की वजह से I couldn't catch you guys time पे. पर हाँ मेरा मन किया तो I thought अभी today's topic which I have chosen for that is the reading, which is one of my finest topic and I just love it. This is what I believe, that books are like a teacher in print and I am a big fan of books. इनफैक्ट मैं कुछ बुक रिव्यूज़ भी वीडियोस की फॉर्म में आपको प्रेजेंट करूँगी विच आई हैव रेड सो फार. इनफैक्ट मैंने लॉकडाउन पीरियड में बहुत सारी बुक्स पढ़ी एंड आई जस्ट लव दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑरा ऑफ द बुक्स. समटाइम्स आई जस्ट गेट पिंच ऑफ हैंगओवर. हाय इतनी सारी बुक्स मैंने पढ़ी. I'm here to show a feisty side of me. Here feisty means spirited. When we are in full grown, enthusiastic vigor and we feel so energetic at the same time. Though I always look for intellectualism in a person. But yeah, we have to be very sweet, innocent and smart at the same time. For the reading, legit factors which I'm gonna tell you about the reading are, first one is metacognition. Look, metacognition is it can be defined as the thinking about thinking. Okay, so good readers generally use this metacognition strategy to think about and control over their thinking. Before reading, they might clarify their purpose of reading, why they are reading this. They just clarify their purpose, why to read, what to read, what is the purpose of that reading. वो सब आता है metacognition में. Sorry. Second point is gallery walk. Look, it's a sort of introductory strategy. Before reading, one should go through the pictures, the images, posters, and the statements about that book which you are which you wanna read, or about the author as well, so that you can have a better consonance with that book. Third point and one of the most important strategies, KWN strategy. हाँ, ये भी एक introductory strategy है and it provides a structure for reading and recalling. Here, K stands for what you already know about the content. K stands for what you already know about the content. W stands for what you wanna know. मतलब आप क्या जानना चाहते हैं. What you want to know from that particular content or topic you're gonna read. And the last but not the least one is that listing that content, what has been learned and what you wanna learn. Alright, hope you get it clear. Now next point is morphemic analysis. Morphemic analysis. It involves selecting words and then identifying the parts of that word. कोई भी word आपने select किया and then identify the parts of that word. इसका मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल दे सकती हूँ. हमारे MSc 4th सेम में एक टॉपिक होता है कम्बिनेटोरियल केमिस्ट्री. सो कम्बिनेटोरियल केमिस्ट्री को हम किस तरीके से, ये एक वर्ड हो गया कम्बिनेटोरियल, हाउ कैन वी ब्रेक डाउन दैट वर्ड, दैट इज कम्बिनेशन प्लस ट्यूटोरियल केमिस्ट्री. इसमें क्या होता है दैट वी गेट टू नो अबाउट द different type of methodologies used in the preparation of a certain compound. Combination plus tutorial. Clear? Next point is RWPS strategy. This one is, this needs a thumbs up I think. RWPS strategy is read, write, pair and share. First one is read अलाउड और साइलेंटली, इट्स अप टू यू, जो भी जिसमें आप कंफर्टेबल हैं. आइदर आप साइलेंटली पढ़ना पसंद करते हैं, कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो अलाउड पढ़ते हैं तो मतलब उनके हियरिंग ऑडिबल वाला ऑडिटरी सेंसेस भी उसके साथ इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं. सेकेंड इज राइट द सिंपल इम्प्रेशंस और टेक्सटिंग इम्प्रेशंस ऑफ दैट कॉन्टेंट. क्लियर? देन पेयर अप विद योर पार्टनर जिसके साथ अपने उस टॉपिक को डिस्कस कर सको. And the last but not the least one is share. उस discussion को which you had with your partner, just share that with a great number of people. Clear? Now last strategy or a legit factor behind the reading is word scavenging hunt. Word scavenging hunt. इसमें क्या होता है that you pick 10, 20 और जो भी आपका लिमिट है critical terms from that content and then scavenge them, hunt for them to get the clear picture of information about those critical terms. Just keep yourself calm, composed and chillified. Look, as it's already, I think it's rightly said that either you write something worth reading or do something worth writing. Thanks and give a big fat thumbs up. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो. Thank you so much. I'll catch you later. Bye bye. Till then, see ya.